Hello everybody. Let me talk to you about digraph. So, a digraph is when two letters are written together and make one sound. That is to say, CH is a digraph, SH is a digraph, PH is a digraph. So, let me focus on CH. CH has three ways of pronunciation. So, the first one is ch, the sound ch, ch, ch. The second one is sh, sh. The third one is k, k. So, CH is pronounced in three different ways. So, check, like chin, chair, chair, chalk, choose, rich. So, H. Let's move on to the sound sh, sh. So, sh like machine, machinery, shape round. So it is the sound sh. Let's move on to the sound k, like the word character, mechanic. What else? Choir, course. So, as you may have noticed that all the letters here are pronounced k. So, the digraph CH has a three way of pronunciation. The first one is ch, the second one sh, the third one is k. Thank you very much for your watching and for your time, and I hope that you can benefit very well from this lesson, and I will see you next time, inshallah.